Alright, so this is my 2015 Yamaha Grizzly 700. This is going to be an update video from one I previously made. If you want to see kind of what the changes it's gone through, you can go back and watch that one. But anyways, finally got it where I want it. These are the 28 by 914 BKTs. They're pretty new. They just recently released these. They also came out with a 30, and got questions about why I didn't go with a 30, and I really just didn't want the axle angles to be so bad. I've got a 2-inch lift already. Ground clearance is all I need, and those tires are super aggressive. So also another thing I did recently was install the winch. It's only a 2,000 pound. It was a gift from somebody, but I took the cable off and put like a silver synthetic cable. That's rated at like around 7,000 or 8,000 pounds, so the winch motor will break before that winch cable will. It's just a eBay light bar there. Actually, I got a lot of things from this build off of eBay. You really can't go wrong with it, and I've had no trouble at all with it getting condensation or anything like that. It's got just a shade of tint across it to kind of make it go with the silver and black look. One thing I'll say this, one thing I really like about that light bar is the every chip is a 10-watt LED, so it puts out 1,000 lumens a piece. That's one reason I really liked it. You don't see them much, but just put the snorkels on here, and I already know I'm probably going to get some questions about it, so I'll tell you what I know. This kit is built by Mud Industries, but it doesn't come with anything to hold these still. They run out of the top, and then you're pretty much left to just zip tie them together, and I didn't like that. They moved around too much, so what I did was just go buy a piece of diamond plate and cut off your little bar that runs across the top here, and just welded that diamond plate in place of it, and also took a piece and put it on the back, and just take some bolts, run it through there, and holds them nice and still, and looks so mean. Painted the Grizzly logo on the front in silver, and it just really sets this thing off. I put as far as performance goes, it's got an EHS Racing bullet box programmer. They say that from factory, these 2018s tend to run hot, which I have found true. I mean 2015, excuse me. And so that programmer, I think it solved my problem for the most part. It gives it a little bit more power, but anyways, I have a 2mm shim and a white EPI secondary spring. That's an upgrade from the last time. I just had a 1mm shim, but I went up to these BKTs. I wanted a little more power, so I did that. I used to have a 2-inch exhaust tip on here, and it really just, you can't make a Grizzly sound, the way you want it to, and it was getting sort of obnoxious, so I took that off of there, and it's all about the little things. So took the warning labels off and put these tags on there. I actually just got that done too. It's just like the cherry on top. I'll show you. I have LED headlights. These are Auxbeam FS2 for anybody that wants to know. The covers that go across the back don't want to stay on very well when you get all that bulky fan and stuff like that in there. So I just took some some RTV silicone, make sure those hold on there so I don't get any water on them. Also, they're super bright, by the way. Have green LEDs under the hood there, and the headlights under each fender. And something new that I did was the 2-foot green LED whip. Got that off eBay as well. No problems whatsoever out of there. And it's actually got a little tint strip across it too, just to give it that added look of meanness. I believe that's everything. If you have any questions about it, of course you can comment. But yeah, it's finally where I wanted it to be. I'm really enjoying it. It's only got about 550 miles so far. Just kind of getting started with it. But anyways, I didn't show you that lift. It's just the 2-inch bracket from High Lifters. I've got it painted silver to kind of match everything, so. But yeah, it will. You can squeeze the bucket right under there. It's not going to clear one very easy, but it will do it.